Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about the formulas in Excel. Formulas are used to perform calculation involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. In formulas we use all these operations. It establishes a relation between two or more cells. We can perform all these operations between two or more cells. A formula is an expression that can include cell address, numbers, arithmetic operators, and parentheses. We can also use cell addresses to perform our formula. You can perform simple as well as complex calculation using function. By function, we can perform the complex calculations also. Formula must begin with equal symbol followed by cell references and operators. The formula always start with the equal sign, after that the operators and the cell reference. Basic formula. Basic formulas involve only one operator in a formula. We can use only one operation at a single time in basic formula. We can use addition or multiplication or division at a single time. Compound formulas are used when you need more than one operator. When we use more than one operator, say addition sign or multiplication sign in a single formula, is a compound formula. Note: the result after formula appear in the cell, but actual formula appears on the formula bar. The actual formula which we have written on the particular cell is always be shown in formula bar, not in that particular cell. In that particular cell we will find the result of that formula. Text formula. You can perform addition on character and string data type. Except for addition, other operations like subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. are not allowed. You can use the symbol AND for addition. Note: addition on string type data means placing one value after another. It means in text formula, by using AND operator in place of plus operator, we can add two string. For example, if I will write AB in one cell and CD in another, after that when I will write down the text formula, it will add both the cell ABCD. It will show like that. We will see that in practical. Cell reference. The cell address in the formula is known as the cell reference. With reference, you can use the data in different parts of the worksheet. There are three types of cell references. We will learn one by one about three of the cell reference. Cell reference means the cell address. Relative reference. When you create a formula, reference to a cell ranges are usually based on the position relative to the cell. When you copy or move the formula to other cell, the reference cell automatically gets changed. So at the time of relative reference, you have to give the reference of in a range of the particular cell. You have to give the range of the cell. We will see this in also in practical, how to give the range. Absolute reference. Absolute reference is used when you do not want to change the address of the cell on copying the formula to another cell. To make absolute reference of a formula, add $sign before the column and row number. When there is a cell which you want to perform calculation, you have to use that particular cell reference with a $sign. To use this $sign, I will show you in practical. Mixed reference. It is a combination of relative absolute reference. In this type reference, either row or column has to remain fixed. So in mixed reference, we can use both the other references, relative and absolute, both. And in this mixed references, we have to choose a single row or a single column for the mixed reference. In mixed reference, one of the rows or one of the column must be the same. Let's move to our practical.